There's Abby. How you doing, girl? She's a tired pup. She's been out running around all day. She decided to come in here and take a little nap. But anyway, guys, how about a little Wednesday night update for you? Like you saw in the last video, I've got this cut out, and I just soaked that, or not soaked it, I painted it with POR 15, and I have the little patch over here. Cut this out. I got this sucker to fit pretty much. I think it's perfect. Got the inside of that with POR 15. This stuff. Somebody sent that to me. It's a starter kit. Somebody sent that to me. I don't know. It's been a while back, but anyway, I coated the inside of it with that. We'll talk more about that. I'm hoping to have a full video out tomorrow. We'll see. This stuff takes a long time to dry. They say it can take 6 hours or more. So, I don't know. I'm hoping to have a video out tomorrow. I think I will, even if I have to come down here in the morning and get that patch welded in and all smoothed out and everything. There's not going to be a lot of smoothing out to do with it. I had it held in there with these magnets, those magnets down there. And it is pretty much darn near perfect. And like that, and there's some in here too. That's not rust on the truck. In fact, I can probably wipe it off there. Yeah. Came off those magnets. They get metal. They'll get metal sticking to them. And then you put them up there and they leave rust marks. But got that patch all cut out. It fits. I spent a long time on that, getting it to fit just right, and I think it's perfect. I cut that out of this here hood, like I did a lot of the patches for the Bronco. In fact, it came out right there. That's where it came from. But hopefully going to have a video out for you tomorrow on that. Beautiful day today. Today and tomorrow are supposed to be really nice. I'm in a t-shirt right now. I don't know what the temperature is, but it's supposed to be in 50 or the lower 50s today and tomorrow, and sun and not much wind or anything. I don't know where Jessie dog went. She scares me when I can't find her. Afraid she's gonna run off and get shot or something. Anyway, that's what I've been doing. I've spent a lot of time today doing that. And like I said, I'm hoping to have a video out tomorrow. I think I will. Might be a little bit later than usual. Might be towards evening. I really don't know. Darn stuff. I didn't know it took that long to dry. And I got UPS truck came today. Got some new body filler. Got some weld through primer. And apparently, well, like I said, we're going to talk more about that tomorrow. But apparently, from a reliable source, you can weld right through that POR 15. It doesn't hurt anything. So what I'm doing is I'm going to, I coated the back side of this patch with it, and then I'm going to spray it with weld through primer. And hopefully that'll take care of everything. I didn't have Rage Gold up here. That's what I like to use for body filler. And just real quick, did a little research. This is made by Evercoat as well, called Z-Grip. Half the price. Gallon of that's only 33 bucks. And everybody seems to like it. May not sand quite as easily as the Rage Gold. We'll see. We're going to do a little review on that, I guess, or something. But anyway, guys, patch is ready to go on. Truck's going to get all fixed up. I have the tintable Raptor liner is coming tomorrow. So I want to get this all welded up tonight if I can and get it all smoothed out, and then tomorrow get it all finished up. But we'll see how things go. Just waiting on supplies right now. I don't have everything I need. I've got one sanding disc Well, I've got this one. It's not in very good shape. And then I've got one new one. Trying to save it to grind all the welds down. So anyway, that is what is going on around here tonight. Abby's just gonna, she's pretty pooped. Pretty tired. She's a wrinkly girl. She's a good cross between Buddy and Jesse, but all right, okay, I'll leave you alone. Anyway, guys, that's what's going on. I think Central Oregon Shenanigans, I think they're gonna have a video up tomorrow on tearing down the 460 that James has. And he wants to get going on that 429 Cobra Jet. But anyway, I'm not going to talk too much about that. Maybe more in the main video tomorrow or whenever it comes out. I'm hoping it comes out tomorrow. I'm planning on putting a video out tomorrow for you guys. So I'm just waiting for paint to dry. I don't have any chicken wings or anything to make. Yeah, so anyway, hope you're all having a good evening. And we'll catch you in the next one.